Hello, Potato. Good evening. Can you hear teacher? Hello, can you hear teacher? Hello, Potato.
Yes. Hello.
Okay. All right. So, can you hear me? Can you hear me,
Yes.
Potato? Okay, that's good. All right. How are you today?
I'm great.
You're great. That's good to hear. And how is the weather in Vietnam today? How is the weather there?
Rainy.
Rainy. Oh, we are the same. It's also rainy here because we have typhoon. In some of the places here, there are flood. You know what's flood? Do you know what is a flood, Potato?
What?
Flood. You know what's a flood?
No.
A flood means the land is covered with water. Okay? There are places in my
Yes.
country that is um covered by water because of so much rain. Okay, now here. So Potato, let's not wait any longer. So we have already started this activity last time and we are going to finish this unit 4 before we proceed to another activity. Are you ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Potato, ready. Okay, now here. Can you please read what is mover's tip? We are going to have an activity. Go, please read. In reading,
In reading and writing part 5. Page 6 for the
sound,
next and in the question. Science may be different.
sentences,
However, the one you need to complete the science must
sentences.
be comfort from the next. So
Okay,
you should not change this one anyway.
okay, very good. So here we are going to do reading and writing. Okay, structures found in the text in the question sentence may be different. However, the words that you need to complete the sentences must be copied from the text, meaning you're going to get answer from the text. Okay, just copy. All right, so look at here. I have here a short statement about change who goes face to the field. Okay, please read Potato. Who go tap? Go. What's wrong with your face? Okay, you go top.
Yeah.
Now please read.
Channel go face for him.
Come on. Who go top is really famous. Please read.
Film rồi. Một mấy thằng nào em phạm. It's film. No, it's film. His body face look different. Hugo is an alien. Alien. Before film, Hugo put out and stood
Puts on.
alien.
There's S. Puts on.
Stood and then sits down on the big mirror. Big
Then
mirror.
Alice
And
starts.
big mirror.
Please read.
And then Alice starts staining his face. First, she planned is green, some is black. Pat line on his face and color his eyes. A third process, color map, and the match and spread to hunger face and from present change its choice. Try both hair along, color purple hair. Center row start flaming. Your face look like ugly, sick, and scary now. Everyone said, oh, look in the mirror again, you know. Oh, I think I look very good. He said, thank you.
Okay, you read properly. Okay, so here, let me read to you again. Okay, Hugo Top is really a famous because he's a film star. Okay, he's a film star. The name of his event film is What's the Noise? Hugo is making it now. In this film, his body and face look very different. Hugo is an alien. You know what's an alien? Potato, do you know what is an alien?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Before filming, Hugo puts on his orange alien suit and then sits down in front of a big mirror. Then Alice starts changing his face. First, she paints it green. Then someone paints black lines on his face and changes the color of his eyes. A third person called Matt adds a mustache and a beard to Hugo's face. And fourth person changes his short, straight, blonde hair to long, curly purple hair. Then Hugo can start filming. Your face looks really ugly and scary now. Everyone says. Hugo looks in the mirror again and laughs. Well, I think I look really cool. He says, thank you. Now here, Potato, what you are going to do is we are going to complete the sentence. For example, Hugo Top is a blank film star. The answer is famous. Okay, now here, number one. Potato, read number one. Oh, unmute first before you answer.
In Hugo and his and body very different.
Okay, look at here. In Hugo's new film, his blank and body look very different. What's the answer? What word is missing? His blank and... Huh?
Face.
Okay, let's check. Is it face? Very good. Next, number two. Number two, Potato. Hugo.
Also sit down in his orange coat.
Okay. Hugo sits down in front of blank on his orange clothes. What's the answer number two? Hugo sits down in front
Mirror.
big mirror. Very good. Next, number three. Come on. Number three, a woman.
A woman make Hugo face green. Her name is
What's the name of the woman that makes Hugo's face green?
Alice.
Oh, correct. It's Alice. Next, number four, Potato, four.
Another person found some on this face.
Another person paints some blank on his face too. Paint some. Is it paint?
Paint some.
What did they put on the face? Paint some.
Paint some.
What color?
Paint some. It's a black.
Okay, very good. Black lines on his face too. Next, potato, number 5. Math.
Before we have Matt put 2 things on her face. A buffet.
2 things. Matt put 2 things on Hugo's face. A blank. What did Matt put? Matt put 2 things on Hugo's face. What are those 2?
Matt put
It's a
bread.
beard.
Bread.
Very good. Mustache and beard. Next, number 6, potato. Number 6. Hugo.
Hugo had to live curly and purple and listen.
Okay, what is that? Hugo has to have black, curly, and purple hair in this field. What's the answer?
Hugo had to have curly and purple hair in the frame.
What's the answer?
No.
Okay, let's check. Long. Its answer is long. Long, curly,
And soft.
and purple. Okay, next, number 7.
Everyone take a roll very cold.
It's cool. And ugly and
scary.
okay, not bad. Very good, potato. Oh, we finished that one. Okay, so here, let's move to the next one. Okay, so here, potato, let's have listening activity. Okay, so here, potato, what you are going to do is to listen to the audio and then okay. Now here, there are names of the people here in the picture. What are the names, potato? Can you please read? What are the names?
Friday, Leon, Sally, Paul,
Okay, we have Fred, Daisy, John, Sully, Paul, Jill, and Jane. Okay, potato, ready to listen? Ready? Potato? Hello, can you hear me?
No.
Okay, so here, you're going to draw lines, okay? For example, Fred, or draw lines to where is Fred, okay? Okay?
No.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Part 1. Look at part 1. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello. Is Fred at the farm today?
Yes, I think he's looking at the ducks.
Is he wearing blue trousers?
Yes, that's Fred.
That's good. He loves ducks.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
Where's Paul?
He's sitting under the tree with his friend.
There are 2 boys under the tree. Which one is Paul?
He's eating a banana.
Oh, yes, I can see him now.
Okay, draw lines. Where is Paul?
Paul.
2.
I'm looking for John. Can you see him?
What's he wearing today?
A green T-shirt, I think.
Oh, yes. He's giving an apple to the horse.
3.
Look at Jill.
I can't see her. Where is she?
She's sitting with her friend.
Has she got a rabbit?
Yes, and it's very beautiful.
4.
Can you see Sally?
Yes, I can. She's running.
Where? I can't see